Hello friends, welcome to Monimation. You know we are all about having fun on computer. Today we are talking about how to install ScratchJr on PC. First, in Google, we type in install ScratchJr on PC. On the result page, we scroll down and click on the Download ScratchJr on PC with BlueStacks link. Then we click on the red button. The download is starting. After finishing downloading the software, we find the installer in the folder. Click on it. A dialog appears on my other screen asking about if I want to install the program. We click yes. Now we click install now. It takes a bit of time to finish downloading the software. Let's wait. Now, the BlueStacks finished downloading. Now we click on the ScratchJr icon on the desktop. Then we click on the Sign In button. Now I sign in with my Gmail. Click on Next. Then type in your password. Next. We have to agree on the Google services in order to install ScratchJr. So we click Accept. Then we click Install. You see there are some data we need to download. We click Home and you can see that the ScratchJr is downloaded. We allow ScratchJr to take pictures and record video, and allow ScratchJr to record audio. Now, ScratchJr is successfully downloaded. See you next time. Bye bye.